We are taking a look at our DMR from yesterday. Again, not too bad, guys. Pretty impressive for the first day. It tells me that we're really reviewing these skills well and we're actively thinking about the information being presented. So go you. All right, so quickly, since it's our first day reviewing, what is the total value of the coins? This quarter is worth 25 cents, 10 and 10. I know that 25 plus 20 is 45 cents. So your answer is 45 cents. Okay. Next up, 1 second. There we go. All right. Next up, it asks about the same coins and says, what is another way to make this amount? So this amount that we're making is 45 cents. We've got to figure out another way. 4 dimes is 10, 20, 30, 40, plus a nickel is worth 5 cents. So 45 cents is correct. Thank you. Put it away. Next up, 2 quarters. 2 quarters is equal to 50 cents. Wah, wah. 9 nickels. We're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Yep. 9 nickels will also give you 45 cents. 4 nickels, 5, 10, 15, 20, plus 2 dimes, 30, 40, plus 5 pennies, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 will also give you 45 cents. Next one, $1. We don't need $1 for 45 cents. Any questions on that one? 3 answers on this one. Okay. Take a look down here. Which of the following is a unit fraction? Remember, unit fraction, if you don't remember, is in your math notebook and is posted on Seesaw, is 1 part of a whole. Which one shows 1 part? D does. This is 1/2. D is 1 piece or 1 unit of the fraction. Questions on that one? All right. Add the unit fractions to determine the sum. We have 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. That gives us 3/4. Second answer choice. Questions on that one? Very good. Find the area of the rectangle. People, if you do not know by now that area is length times width, oh, good Lord. We are struggling. I think I've said that at least 100 times here. Area is length times width. Our length is equal to 8 inches. Our width is equal to 4 inches. 8 times 4 is, you got 8, 16, 24, 32. And because it is area, we know that we need our label squared. Inches squared. Okay? So we can take a look right here at 32 inches squared. 32 inches tricked some of you. Remember, on area, we have 2 dimensions, the height and the length. Okay? So we have squares. Next up, we're taking a look at the position of the underlined digit. Okay, the position of the underlined digit. This is a 9. It is in the tens place. We have our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. This 9 is in the tens place. When we are talking about value, we're asking how much is 9 tens worth? That would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So our answer would be 90. 9 tens is worth 90. Okay, any questions about that one? All right, your DMR will unlock today at 12:15. Make sure you are getting that practice in, and then we will start up. Okay, All right. Switching gears. Guys, I was able to review your shopping math yesterday, and I was very impressed. I only had to send that back to 2 kiddos. Everybody else rocked it and was ready to go. So fantastic on counting your money. You guys have really been practicing. You've really been thinking about the values before you start writing information, and that is just wonderful. Okay. Today, we're going to take it a step farther. We're going to determine what we can do with change. So if we have enough money to make a purchase, what happens when we have more than enough money to get that purchase, and how do we get that change back? Okay, so to help you guys review really quick, and because you guys have said you love it, I'm going to go ahead and play your vocabulary on money. Money, 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 money.
Boo.
Yay. Where's the share? Why don't I have, there it is, share my screen. All right, here we go. We'll quickly review our money and then we will get started on making change.
Pennies, nickels, and dimes, they're all mine. Listen, you know,
I get paid.
all of y'all better know.
I get paid.
Hey, are y'all ready? I like to say hi, my name is Penny. I'm the color copper, kind of red. But I don't let that get to my head. I'm only worth 1 cent, yeah, just one. But I make change and I get the job done. For all the scholars, if you wanted $1, gee, you would need 100 copies of me.
Up next on the mic, I'm a nickel. I'm worth 5 pennies. It's that simple. I'm colored silver, second biggest in size. 2 of me, that would be worth a dime. Yes, I'm a nickel, the coin worth 5 cents. Bet you didn't know I knew how to rhyme. You can flip me and get heads or tails, I still be a nickel. Can't you tell?
I've got money, money, money.
I got money.
I've got money, money, money.
Yeah, I got money.
It makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save. I've got money, money, money.
I got money.
I've got money, money, money.
I got
It
money.
makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save.
Come on, pass the microphone, dude. I'm a dime, worth 10 cents, and I'm right on time. I'm the littlest coin, but worth more than a penny or a nickel. Yeah, for sure. I'm worth 10 pennies or 2 nickels. I got a new deal for you. It's simple. Take 10 of me, and you've got $1. Dimes make all the dudes holler, holler.
You want the biggest coin people use on the daily? They call me quarter, my life's crazy. Worth 25 pennies, 25 cents. I'm large and strong, I don't get bent. $0.25, so it takes 4 of me to make $1. If you're at the store, take a look at me. If you dig a picture of George Washington wearing a wig.
I've got money, money, money.
I got money.
I've got money, money, money.
Yeah, I got money.
It makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save. I've got money, money, money.
Yeah, I got money.
I've got money, money, money.
I got
It
money.
makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save.
Check me out, y'all. My name's Bill. I'm $1 made out of paper. I must be a scholar, worth 100 pennies or 4 quarters. I'm pretty. Just look at my 4 borders.
I'm a $5 bill. Hi, I'm Abe Lincoln. You think I'm worthless? What's your brain thinking? I'm worth $5 or 500 cents. My head is big, yeah, so are my friends.
$10 bill here for all to see. If you love colored paper, you just love me.
Okay, enough, guys. Yeah, that's plenty. I'm worth more than y'all. I am a 20.
What about me? I think I'm rather nifty. I'm not 20, kids, I'm 50.
We're $100 bills, you better let us in. Cause don't you know it's all about the Benjamins? Benjamin Franklin, he's on my face. I'm the biggest bill in this place. Ha! That's money, but it's not funny to me. You need to work hard cause it doesn't grow on trees.
I've got money, money, money.
I got money.
I've got money, money, money.
Yeah, I got money.
It makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save. I've got money, money, money.
Yeah, I got money.
I've got money, money, money.
I got
It
money.
makes sense that I get paid. Dollars and cents just make me save.
Let's go.
I've got money, money, money. I have got money, money, money. It makes sense that I get paid.
All right, well done. We
Say
are
what?
reviewed. We are ready to go. All right, today we're going to talk about how to determine if you have enough money to make a purchase. Okay, do we have enough money to make a purchase? And if we have more than enough money to make that purchase, what is going to happen with that extra money that we have left? Okay, so you are getting ready to take a look at some examples of buying different items, and I will let you know that an Among Us character is going to make an appearance, so just be ready. But we are going to take a look at purchasing items and determining if we have enough money for them, okay? So here's how this is going to look. Before Among Us, Takis.
Hey, you went to the grocery store with your mom or your dad and you saw these Takis. And Takis are your favorite. So you said, please, mom, or please, dad, can I please have these Takis? And they said, whatever change you have in your pocket, if you have enough, you can buy them. So you reached out of your pocket and this was the amount of money that you had. And hopefully we have enough so that we can buy the Takis. The easiest way to count them is in the order that we talked about. So we look at dollars. Well, we don't have any dollars. So then we look at quarters. First, I want to put the change into one area so that I can make room for me to count. So quarters. There's one quarter. I do not see any more quarters. What comes next?
Dimes.
Quarter, dimes. 2 dimes. 3 dimes, and there's 4. Quarter, dimes. The next one is nickel. Quarter, dimes, nickel, penny. Okay, so now that we have them all in the right order, we can begin counting. First, we have a quarter, which is worth 25 cents. Then we have 4 dimes, and each dime is worth 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, and 10 cents. Then we have nickels. Each nickel is worth 5 cents. And then we have pennies. Each penny is worth 1 cent. So let's start at quarters. We have 25 cents so far. So we have 25. And now we need to count by tens. 35, 45, 55, 65 cents so far. Now we need to count by fives instead of tens. So from 65, we go 65, 70, 75, 80. So now we have 80 cents. Now we go from 80 cents, and instead of counting by fives, we go down to ones. So 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. We have 85 cents total. Do we have enough? Do we have enough to buy these Takis? No, unfortunately, we are short. Now let's see how many cents short we actually are. So our total was 85 cents, so we have to take 99 cents minus 85 cents to get how many cents we need. We need 14 cents. Unfortunately, we were not able to buy these Takis. But let's look at another example. Let's say you broke open your piggy bank and you found this much money inside. So you went online during Christmas time to find something that you might want to buy for a friend. And let's say they really liked Among Us. And you wanted to buy this blue Among Us toy. Now, if we look right here, it tells us the price. It is $9, $2.99. So we have to make sure that if we want to buy, we have to make sure that we have at least $9.99. So let's start with our greatest value. We have our $5 would be the biggest, and then our dollar would be the next biggest. And then we have quarter, dime, nickel, penny. So we start with quarter. And you can put these anywhere on the screen as long as you can organize it. So I can move my dollars over. I can spread them out a little more if I want to, as long as I can see them all. So I have my quarter, and then what's next? Dime. So let's put all my dimes in there, which are worth 10 cents each. Then what's next? Quarter, dime, nickel, and then penny. Quarter, dime, nickel, penny. All right, so let's count up our money. We have $5. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. So far in this group, we have $9. Now let's count our coins. We have 25 and 25 cents, which is 50 cents. So far we have $9.50. And I'm going to continue to write it down each time so I don't forget. So this is how much I have so far, $9.50. Now let's go to dimes. Each one is worth 10 cents. So if we have $9.50, we go $9.60, $9.70, $9.80. So right now we have $9.80. Now we go to our nickels. We count by fives. $9.80, $9.85, $9.90, $9.95. Then after 95 would be your full dollar. Because from 95 cents, you get to 100 cents. So $9.95, your next number would be $10. Now we need to count our pennies. $10.01, $10.02, $10.03. So our total amount in our piggy bank was $10.03. And it cost $9.99. So I think we have enough to buy the Among Us gift for our friend. It's also important to know that each coin looks different on the other side, but it's still worth the same. So this quarter might look like that on the other side. This dime might look like this. The nickel might look like this, and your penny might look like this. No matter the side, it's still important to recognize that the quarter is worth 25 cents, the dime is worth 10, the nickel is worth 5, and the penny is still worth 1.
All right, so quick review of our coins there. Now we are getting ready to look at this together, making change. Do we have enough to make a purchase? I just sent some of y'all a message because you were working ahead, but you don't know how I wanted you to work. So now you're going to have to erase it and do it the way that I want you to show your work. So the rest of you, click on that activities light bulb to refresh. Do we have enough money? Also, when you're told to watch a video, if you're looking on Seesaw to see if an assignment is unlocked, you're not doing what you were asked to do. Wah, wah. Click on that add response button. We've watched the examples together. We're going to do a few slides of work. Our instructions tell us that we are going to complete the student slide 1 with your teacher. I'm going to send you into some breakout rooms to work on slides 2 through 5. Okay? Look, you get a game when you're done. All right, slide 1. Let's work on this together. Joe is really famished. Does he have enough to buy a large box of fries that cost $2.25? We're going to check it out. You have this picture here. Look, you can't move the money. So this is why we've been talking with you about making sure you have a strategy for counting if you can't move it, okay? My strategy is going to be to count in the same order. Values. I have $1. Please write down $1 with me. Some of you on yesterday's work had the correct answers, but you did not show your work. You did not show how you got that answer, which could mean that you just typed it into a calculator. Okay, so I need you guys to show your work here. Tell me how you're solving. All right, so we're writing $1. Now I'm going to do my 2 quarters. I know that 2 quarters together is 50 cents. I've been counting money long enough to know that. So if I add 50 cents to my dollar, I now have $1.50. Go ahead and write that. Okay. I'm now going to group together my dimes. I have 5 dimes. I know how to count by 10 5 times. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's another 50 cents. I know that 50 cents and 50 cents, that's 2 halves of $1. So that's going to put me at $2. And finally, I have my 2 pennies. So that's going to give me, and be careful here, guys, $2.02. It's 0, 2. If you put 2 decimal point 2, that's $2.20 because this is where dimes go. Okay? You don't have any 10 cents. You have 0 tens. You have 2 ones, 2 pennies. Okay? So be careful. So the question is, how much money does Joe have? Joe has $2.02. Okay, so we have $2.02. So does he have enough? No, he does not. This says bonus question. You are going to do the bonus questions today because you're ready for them. Bonus question says, if he has enough money, how much change is left? Well, guess what? He doesn't have any change. None. There's not enough left. Okay. You are getting ready to go into some breakout rooms. In your breakout room, you are going to solve slide 2. On slide 2, you are going to, again, count the money and you have to show your work, just like I did here. Okay? Just writing the answer is not okay. You need to show how you solved that work, whether it's circling your values or writing on the side or using the addition symbol. You have to show me how it is that you found the money with your group and then answer these questions. Okay? Slide 2 is what you are getting ready to work on together inside of your breakout rooms. All right? Slide 2. Here you go. All right, looking at your screens, I was able to see that we were at a good place. Here is what you should have had. I counted my quarters first. They are in green, 75 cents. I added my dime, which was 10 cents. I added my penny, which was 1 cent. Notice when I add my penny, there is an invisible 0 in the tens place because a penny is 1 cent. It does not have a value in the tens place. Okay, be very careful with that. I found that Trenton had 86 cents, and dang, Trenton ain't getting no cupcakes. It's a sad day. Joe didn't get his fries. Trenton didn't get his cupcakes. Y'all ready to let somebody have something? I am. I want people to have their money. So you should have been able to answer 86 cents. No. And if he has enough money, how much change is left? There won't be any change because he doesn't have enough money. Okay. Terrence, a question about slide 2.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, is that a cent sign by the 1?
It is. It's just got a super long stick. There you go.
Oh, sorry.
All right. Anything else? All right. Let's take a look at our slide 3, please. Slide 3 is the last one that we are going to work on together. Slide 3. Oh, good. It is recording. Okay. Emily is craving a pop, but she only has the money shown below. The pop costs $3.34. She must be at a ball game because that's an expensive pop. Will Emily be able to afford the pop? Let's see. We have monies. It's been arranged for us in groups. We're going to count what we have. I have $2. I know that $2 is written as 2 decimal point 00. So I got my $2 there. Okay. Now I've got my quarters. I know that 4 quarters is $1. So I'm going to circle these and add $1. $2 plus $1 is $3. So far it's looking good for Emily to buy that expensive pop. And remember, if I'm writing, then you are writing. So Frank, I'm writing right now. You should be writing this on your screen. Okay. We still have another quarter. So let's add this quarter. That's going to give me a value of 25 cents. So now I'm going to have $3.25. Q, did you have a question about what we've done so far?
No, but it doesn't let me turn my screen on.
Yeah, it seems to be a problem with a couple other kids too. Seems like it's a Zoom issue. No worries. All right, now we've got nickels. I'm at 25 cents and I need to count by 5s. I know how to do that, so I'm going to do it here. $3.25, $3.30, $3.35, $3.40. Hey-o! Emily's got enough money. But we have a bonus question asking us about change. So we've got to continue counting to know how many or how much change Emily is going to get. And finally, I need to add my pennies. I'm at $3.40. I'm going to count by 1s. 41 cents, 42 cents, 43 cents, 44 cents, 45 cents. Emily has $3.45. We can write that total here where it says how much money does Emily have. Emily has $3.45. Aiden Leachman, a question about this slide?
You bought some.
I what?
You blocked Seesaw.
Seesaw is not blocked, kiddo. Got to go through the Clever portal the way that you do, but everybody else is on Seesaw. All right, circle yes or no. Yes, she can get that pop because she has more than enough money. So now let's take a look at this bonus question. If she has enough money, how much change is left? Okay? When we're making change, we start with how much money we give the cashier. In this instance, Emily put all $3.45 on the counter for the cashier to take. Go ahead and write that out. The cashier took or subtracted $3.34. Because that's how much the pop cost. So they subtracted that from the amount on the counter. Now this is just a standard subtraction. The only difference is we have a dollar sign and we have a decimal point, but we solve it the exact same way. 5 pennies minus 4 pennies is 1 penny. 4 dimes minus 3 dimes is 1 dime. Decimal point stays in the same place. $3 minus $3 is $0. So Emily is going to get back 11 cents. That is how much change she will receive. Okay. Questions about slide 3? I know you're still writing. I'll give you that time. Terrence, a question about slide 3?
Do we have to put the 3 there?
The 3 where? There's a couple 3s here.
Right. In the addition problem?
And the over here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because you have $3. So if you only are writing the cents, when you go to write your answer, you might forget that. So when we're counting up money, we don't leave out the dollars. Count it all together. Okay. All right. Today for your independent work, you are going to complete slide 4, 5, and 6. On slides 4 and 5, they're exactly as we've done together. There's an amount of money. There's an item that the person wants to buy. You are going to determine if they have enough money, and if they do, how much change are they going to get? Okay, for slides 4 and 5, it's the same. On slide 6, this is your success criteria. How do you know that you were successful with this goal? Okay, you're going to explain with math vocabulary. On slide 7, there is a game for you to play. Notice what it says. When you finish your work. So you are not going to play this game before you finish your work, okay? So slides 4 and 5 and 6, and then when you're done, you're going to be purchasing some candy, and you can click on that link to play the game, okay? All right, this is your assignment. Remember, when you finish your work, you should be spending 15 minutes on Zearn. You should be on Prodigy.